Welcome back to class, everyone. I'm so great to see you guys again. And today we're going to learn about culture. Okay. So let us take what we're going to learn today. First, introduction to the culture. Second, we're going to learn how to use chart, graph, and pictures. And then finally, we're going to do some activities. Okay, so what is culture? Look around you. Do you notice something different? We are all from different culture, which means that we have different backgrounds. And then culture is based on our language, belief, traditional clothes, and food. Now, we're going to take a moment to look at the short clips, okay?
What does it mean when people talk about cultures and traditions? What is a culture? A culture is a pattern of behavior of a group of people. These can include what kind of food they eat, the language they speak, the sports they enjoy and play, their music, their beliefs, and many other things. Every culture has their own traditions. But what is a tradition anyway? Traditions are the beliefs, routines, and ways of celebrating in families or cultures. Traditions can include what kinds of meals you eat when you celebrate holidays. They can include what kinds of gifts are given. A tradition can be a special prayer you say before bedtime. It can be how you celebrate Thanksgiving or Halloween, or a special treat your grandma likes to make for you. Many families have a special tradition for decorating their Christmas trees or for their first days of school. What traditions do you have in your family?
Good grammar and spelling.
Okay. So, since we watched a clip about culture, let me introduce my culture first, okay? So I am from South Korea. This is the flag of South Korea. And then I'm going to introduce you all about my culture. So please listen carefully. Okay, so this is Hangul, which is Korean alphabet. Hangul is Korean language. We use this every day, just like in America, they use English, okay? Ooh, and then next is the fun part. This is our traditional cloth called hanbok. This one, as you can see, it is for girls, and for boys, we also have a special traditional cloth. And then, I got my own Korean traditional dress. This is pretty, isn't it? Okay, let's move on. Wow, this is my favorite part. This is all Korean food, traditional food. We've got meat, we've got glass noodles, rice, but the most popular, kimchi, is Korean's most beloved food. Okay, now it is your turn to describe your culture. Who wants to go first? Let's see. Layla, okay, sure. Okay, first, where are you from? France, wow, France. I really want to go to France one day. Okay, so what's your traditional food there? Croissant? Wow, I love croissant. Anyone here love croissant? Yes, I see lots of you who love croissant, huh? It is very good. Okay, next, who wants to go? Caleb, yeah. Where are you from first? He's from Italy. Okay. Okay, Caleb, so what's your traditional food? Wow. He said that they eat cheese and pizza. Ooh, that sounds yummy. Right, so as Caleb and Layla introduced us about their culture, and me also, now we're going to learn about graphs and charts. Okay, here it shows pie chart, line graph, area graph, histogram, bubble chart, vertical bar chart. But today, we are only going to learn pie chart and line graph, okay? Wow, so first, we have example question for line graph. So let me read the questions for you, okay? The question says, there was a heavy rain in Tanzania from February to May. In February, 6 inches of rain was measured, but the rain went down to 4 inches in March. In April, 5 inches of rain was measured, and finally in May, only 2 inches of rain was measured. Place these results using a line graph. Okay guys, before we even start drawing, in a line graph, you need to remember there is an x-axis and y-axis, okay? So here is how the results should look like. The down part is x-axis, and then the one that goes straight up, it is called y-axis. So let's see. In x-axis, you're going to put the month, which is February, March, April, and May, okay? And then we have the rainfall in inches. And as they said before, in February there were 6 inches, so you're gonna place the dot here. And then in March it went down to 4. But then in April it went up again, so you're gonna place it up. And finally in May, it was the lowest, which was 2 inches. Does everyone understand? Okay, so we can move on. Okay, now let us move to pie chart. The example question, let me read. It says, in Mexico, there are 25% Buddhists, 45% are Christians, and 31% are Muslims. If you want to apply this result using pie chart, how will it look like? Okay guys, remember, I know this sounds very hard because there is lots of numbers here, but if you add up 25 plus 45 plus 31, that will equal to, I meant 30%, yeah. So 25 plus 45 plus 30, it will give 100, okay? So this is how the pie chart looks. This whole circle, let's say it is equal to 100. And then, as you can see, the Christians, there are the most with 45%, and then Muslims, which is 30%, and then Buddhists, which is 25%. That is why the Christians have the most space taken compared to these two. Does anyone have a question? Okay. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so now it is your turn to try. Ooh, what do we have here? We have a word map, right? So we have Netherlands, Morocco, Sri Lanka, Australia, Vietnam, and Japan. Okay, so here is what we're going to do. Listen carefully. So group 1, they're Jason, Anna, Lou, Brian. You guys are all in group 1, okay? And then your job is to choose one country from where I showed before, okay? And then you're gonna describe people's favorite food from 2018 to 2020 using a line graph. Okay? And then next, Layla, John, Sarah, and Mika, you guys are in group 2. And then again, you're going to select one country and then describe top 3 countries that visited your selected country in 2018 to 2020. Okay, you guys are going to spend, let's say, 10 minutes and we're gonna review together and I'm gonna present your work using the screen, okay? So take your time. Okay guys, 10 minutes passed. So group 1, they chose Japan. Ooh, okay, that's a nice choice. And then you guys did a line graph. Yeah, I can see that. Ooh, I love how you guys organized your results. So it says, in 2018, people ate sushi the most. Ooh, I love sushi. And then 2019, people ate mochi the most. And then finally in 2020, people ate green tea the most. And as you can see, they did a great job placing here and they got the answers right. Wow. Please let us give them a clap. Okay, great job. Next, we have group 2. Okay, they made a pie chart. Okay, so in the year from 2018, 2019, 2020, they made it very organized. They said Turkey visited Turkey visited in 2018, Singapore visited in 2019, and America visited in 2020. Okay, I would like to give you some corrections here. First, you said 40% visited from Turkey, but then in your pie chart, you only wrote 27%. See, this is different result. But it's okay, because it's your first time and then everyone makes mistake. So it is fine. So I just want you guys to be careful from next time to make sure that your answers from the chart, and then when you apply the answer to the pie chart, that the answers should be the same, okay? But again, let us give them clap because they tried hard. Okay, next we have a Kahoot time. Fun. So everyone, please go back to your table. There will be a laptop, tablet for individual. This, you guys are going to work alone, okay? And then here, please click the link in the blue, with the blue color blue here. And then after you're finished, I'm gonna go around and I'm going to check with you individually, okay? And you're gonna spend, let's say, 5 minutes for this one. Let's go. Okay guys, time passed. So please come back here, make a circle. Yeah. Okay, that's great. So now it is reflection time. So the first question, what was the most challenging part of the lesson? Oh, I see lots of hands here. Okay, Mark. Yes. Did everyone hear what he said? Mark said that he struggled with the pie chart. Who agrees with him? Yes, pie chart can be very hard, but I am very proud that you guys all did great teamwork today and you all did well. Second question, which part did you enjoy the most? Let's see. Annika, yes. Wow. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Okay guys, Annika said she loved learning about different culture, especially about South Korea's culture. Thank you so much. Yeah. Culture is a fun thing, right? Yes. And finally, what did you learn and why is it important? Ooh, this is a tricky question. I don't see hands up that much. Let's go with Callie. Okay? Yep, that's true. Yeah, we learned about culture today. And Callie, why is culture important to learn? Yes, that's a great answer. Guys, give her a clap. Okay, Callie said culture is important because God made us all unique. So, it is important to know the differences, right? That's a very great answer, Callie. Yeah. Okay, guys, this was the end of the presentation and the lesson. And you guys, please remember that we are all unique and we are all made by God's image, okay? So we need to learn to appreciate and respect others, okay? Yeah. Have a great day.